Gonna do what?
The egg rolls on fire.
Oh, we're doing it in front of the Flaming Asian place. The joke is really understood. We've been here, so why is he talking about egg rolls? He must be high. Well, that is true. We're going to the Asian place.
Why do I hang out with people at 2 in the morning at Walmart?
Oh, really? Why are you recording? You put us on people to Walmart. You had to wear your swim trunks, though. You had to do it. I love my swim trunks. We're going on people to Walmart. Right there. That's 5 cameras caught you different episodes. My ass. You know what?
Why are you guys still walking?
You guys go to Reed?
I'm
Oh,
buying
food.
stuff.
You're buying balloons?
They're neon.
I'm gonna tell you why I'm still walking, because you have to buy shit. I'm gonna go smoke now.
Okay, I'll see you outside.
Butterballs.
Yep, that would be Butterballs.
Do nothing. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeVille.
Okay.
Why are you recording?
We are getting, because I'm bored, we are getting neon balloons for the best occasion, party occasion. It's this dude's birthday.
Yesterday.
It was yesterday, but we're having a party tomorrow. I'm getting barbecue chicken shake-ups because I'm not high, I have a contact buzz. There's a difference. It's Stitch's fault. And I am getting extra cheesy pizza, and I totally just like recorded that upside down. So, extra cheesy pizza. And I'm gonna get some chips and stuff maybe. I don't know.
Okay.
Fuck you.
And off to find pong balls tomorrow.
We have to find pong balls early.
Yes.
So, you and your sister were looking at my ass.
Yep, at the same exact time, too.
That's funny.
It's awesome.
At least your sister has good taste too.
Oh no, you tasted pretty good.
Oh, say bye-bye.
Bye.